How to get your own custom web domain. So I've just had a question saying, how did you get sarahcordner.com? How did you get your email address to be sarah@sarahcordner.com? And a lot of people don't know that this is actually really easy to do. It doesn't matter who you are, how untechy you are, you can actually get your own domain names very, very easily. Now, the first thing you need to do is actually buy the domain name. Domain name is the something.com. That's called a domain name. So you're going to need to go to some kind of domain seller to actually purchase this domain. And those sellers could be Google domains, Crazy Domains, GoDaddy, Namecheap. There's hundreds of these sites that you can purchase these domains from. And the price varies massively. For some of them can be as little as a couple of dollars a year. Some can be thousands of dollars to purchase them outright. Okay, so usually speaking, you would buy these outright for a fixed period of time. So it'd be a set price per year or per 5 years or per 10 years, however long you want to buy them for. And the price will vary depending on how in demand the platform determines that name to be, or if somebody already owns it and is reselling it for a profit. Yes, that's actually a business. People just sit there all day buying domains and then putting them back on the market at a higher price. It's a bit like flipping houses. People actually flip domains for a living. So I'm going to just pick one of them. It doesn't matter which one you go with. I personally use Google domains for a lot of my domains because I have my business running on the Google platform. So you're going to simply go to Google, type in a Google domains, right? Hit enter, and you'll have here the Google Domains Registrar will pop up, domains.google.com. Click on that bad boy, and this is going to take you into the space whereby you can search for and purchase any domains that may be available for purchasing. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on Get a New Domain. On the top left here, Get a New Domain. This is where you're going to be able to search whether something is available. So for instance, if I wanted to buy sarahisawesome.com, you would simply type in your thing, hit enter, and it will tell you whether or not this domain is available. So somebody actually owns sarahisawesome.com, and the reason we know that is because it's not green. It's got a cross through it. I could buy sarahisawesome.co.uk, and I could buy sarahisawesome.info. So basically what we're going to do is go through and search through this and have a look at all the different things you might want to buy. I love cheese and wine. All right, let's hit enter and see what comes up. So ilovecheeseandwine.com is actually available. So if I wanted to buy that, I just click on that domain there, and it tells me that it's $18 a year. So I could actually now add that to my cart, purchase that domain, and then I would now own ilovecheeseandwine.com. Now that would mean that I'd be able to actually then create an email address called sarah@ilovecheeseandwine.com. How good is that? So it's pretty cool how easy this is. Now, I'm not going to buy I Love Cheese and Wine, even though I do. Screw it, actually. I do love cheese and wine. That's funny. I'm going to buy it. All right, let's just do that. I'm just going to buy this domain and just show you how easy this is. So let's go in here. I'm just going to buy it for 1 year. Do we want to turn on privacy protection? Do we want to turn on auto renew? That means it will just automatically deduct my credit card in a year's time. By the way, it warns you. It will actually tell you about a month before, hey, your domain, ilovecheeseandwine.com, is going to expire soon. Do you want to keep it or not? All right, so let's just keep that. Do you want to have a Google Workspace? If you don't have a Google Workspace, I would say yes, because this is where you're going to be able to run your whole business from, like your email account, your Gmail for Business account, your Google Drives to store all of your information, your Google Calendars to keep yourself organized. So I would recommend having a Google Workspace. However, if you already have one, you can just literally suck this domain into that existing Google Workspace. So what I'm going to do is press checkout. Blur my screen. I'm just going to buy this domain, and basically instantaneously I will own it. Okay, so I'm going to just review my purchase for a second. All right, just going to press buy. So I just had to hide my my private details there for you, and it doesn't take too long. Boom, registering. So you see how quickly this happens? This is all happening in live time right now. Ta-da! Right, I now own ilovecheeseandwine.com. So if any of you want to send me any, please go for it. So now what happens is over here, now that I own this, every time you log into your Google Domains account and you click on all my domains, you will actually see all the domains that you own. So I'm now inside my I Love Cheese and Wine. I can now go to email, and I can now create an email address that is Sarah at ilovecheeseandwine.com. How good is this? So all I would do is add an email alias. I've already have a Google Workspace. So by the way, if you don't, make sure you have a Google Workspace, as I said. But yeah, I could literally create Sarah at I Love I Cheese and Wine and have all of those emails direct to an existing email address. So for instance, Sarah at sarahcordner.com. So I'll just add that. So now what will happen is, and I'm going to see if this happens in real time, right? This is how quick this is. This email won't work unless it's verified, or I've got to send a verification code. So I'll just do that. This is just going to check that that email address works. So I've had a verification code, go to Sarah at sarahcordner.com. So I'll just pause this and check that it's there. All right, so it's just sent me an email saying, please verify your forwarding address. So it says that Sarah at ilovecheeseandwine.com would like to be forwarded to Sarah at sarahcordner.com. Verify my email now. So this is a forwarding. This isn't what you do if you wanted to set up your own email address. As I said, you would need to create that Google Workspace, which will then allow you to, let's press pause. Would allow you to set up your own email account using that Google Workspace. So anyway, if we go back down to emails here, this basically is where you would set up your own, your name at yourdomain.com, or just create a forwarding. So you could still say to people, I could now still say to people, just send me an email at Sarah at ilovecheeseandwine.com, and I'll still receive that email. So I'll just do a test now. I'm going to open up my emails to do that. Cool. So just putting together this email to Sarah at ilovecheeseandwine.com called hello testing again. And I'm going to press send on that bad boy, and just going to go and double check my inbox now. Sweet. Right, I just checked my inbox. It did work. I'm obviously not going to show you inside my inbox. There's private stuff in there. But there you go, guys. This is how easy it is to create your own domains. Now, if you are using a business platform like TekMatix, guys, right? TekMatix is an all-in-one online business platform and a course creation platform. You can now connect that domain to your TekMatix account. It's really easy. I have a training video showing you how to do that, meaning that you can have your own website running from your TekMatix account with your domain, with yourdomain.com that you have chosen and purchased, with your email address that connects to your domain. It is your blog, so you have your blog in there as well. So this now allows you guys to start running your business at a really professional level. Now, by the way, while we're in the TekMatix, this is tekmatix.com. This will be your funnel platform. It's your website platform, your blogging platform. You can host all of your online courses, sell any kind of digital products from here. You can create opt-in forms. You can do quizzes and assessments. It pulls in your inbox. Oh, I better not show you that because it's got all kinds of stuff in there. All right, this is a demo, so this is okay. It brings in all of your social media inboxes into your inbox area here, which allows you to communicate with people across all of your platforms from one location. It's so good. All of that communication stores on all of your customers' records in your contacts area. So this becomes a full customer record management system that has all of your customers' notes, information, attachments related to them, shows you everything they've ever done inside your business. You can also create a customer journey or pipelines, sales pipelines, so you can see where people are at in your customer journey. You can do payments, invoicing, connect your PayPal and Stripe to this, so you don't even need accounting software anymore. It's a full email marketing system as well, so you don't need anything like ActiveCampaign anymore. It does one-off campaigns, it does automated workflows, automated campaigns based on triggers, dates, specific actions, specific things they've purchased, specific things they've cancelled. Even if they've just watched a video on one of your funnels, it will send automatic emails based on the percentage of the video they watched, and so much more. It also has really high advanced reporting in terms of reviews. It manages all of your public reputation. So all of your Facebook reviews, Google My Business reviews, everything all come into here as well. And so much more that I couldn't possibly tell you in one short video. But once you've got your domain, now you need an online business to run that domain from. You do not need to go out there and purchase separate websites, separate hosting. We do your hosting for you as well. We can build your websites for you on TekMatix as well. Inside our website builder, by the way, let me just go in and show you around here because this is pretty big. We have professionally pre-built websites for you already. So you do not need to pay website developers, right? If you go into your website section over here, Let's click on this bad boy. You can go add a new website. You can go to the template library. Oh, yes, right. And we have different templates for all different industries. So if you, for instance, in the beauty and fashion industry, these templates are ready made for you. All you've got to do is change it to your colors, your words, and your logo. So let's pretend you like this particular one here. You're going to press select and you're going to press continue. You're going to agree that you know that you've got to own the rights to it and everything, that you're taking on responsibility for the website. And now it will pop up here. Where's my beauty one gone? Did I just go to the next page? It might have just gone to the next page. Oh no, previous, a day ago. Can't find that one now. I just needed a second to propagate. Boom, there she is. So let's open this up. And here you go. It's a pre-built website for you that now attaches to your domain that you just purchased. You like that. In minutes, you now have a full professional business with your own domain name and your own amazing website. You're going to give these a second to load, but you will see here now you have a pre-built homepage, a pre-built about page, a pre-built shop, a pre-built services page, a pre-built contact page. Over here in settings, this is where you would choose your domain. There is another area where you simply add your domain. There is another training video that shows you how to do that. You would now just click yourwebsite.com that you've just purchased, and it would now attach to your website. And boom, you have yourself your own amazing website with your own amazing domain in minutes, just like that. If you want some help, contact me on support@tekmatix.com. Go on over to tekmatix.com to grab yourself a 14-day free trial on this platform. Let's get professional, turn your business into a machine. You're going to absolutely love this. Happy teching.